Confirms email. This is the only system task function that's going to allow us to stop the flow. So basically what's going to happen here is the flow is going to reach the system task. It's going to send a confirmation email. And in this email, we're going to have a link. If the user who receives this email clicks on the link and confirms, by doing so, a value is going to be uploaded into the panel of the process. And we can use that value to redirect the flow in one direction or another one. For example, if they've confirmed, we want to send the flow this way. If they haven't confirmed, we want to send the flow this other way. Okay, so if it gives us a positive value, it means that the email was actually confirmed. If it gives me a negative value, it means that they haven't confirmed. We're going to enter the application and see its configuration. So basically, what I want to do is open a process, and in its configuration, I'm going to select the system task. And here we've configured this notifier system task with the function confirms email. So first we selected notifier, then we selected the function confirms email. And all we have to do here, it's pretty straightforward. We have to select an addressee. So here I'll select any field I have in the panel as the addressee. Here I'll add a subject, for example. So I can add some text here. I'll add some content. And when I'm adding some content, we can see here, I've got an option up here that allows me to add a link to email confirmation. I click here and this link is added. Okay, now that we have this link here, I can change its size, its color, whatever. Okay, I'm not going to make it really fancy. I'm just going to leave it as it is. We can indicate if we want rich text, plain text. Here we can add a return code so we can know if someone actually confirmed or if they didn't confirm. And here we can indicate how much time the user has to confirm. For example, 15 minutes from the beginning of the, well, since the flow reached this object. So I'm just going to leave it like this. That means that when the email is submitted, the confirmation is only going to be valid during 15 minutes. Okay, so let's test this. I'm going to copy the link to the start message event. I'll paste it here in a new tab. And the panel field I'm going to use is this one here. This is going to be the addressee. So I'm going to select AP1. Okay, this is my email address for demos. All I have to do is start the process. Here we can see my email inbox. As soon as I start the process, I'm going to receive an email. I'm also going to open the monitoring option here in reports, so I can monitor the process. And we can see the flow actually stopped in the system task, in the notifier system task. So I received my email. I can open it. Okay, here I can see the message. Okay, and here I can see the accept button, so I can confirm. So once I click here, the flow is going to continue. So if we enter this option here, we're going to see that the flow is stopped right now. We have 15 minutes to confirm. And as soon as I click on the button, the flow is going to continue. So basically, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to enter my email address. I'm going to click on accept. Now the flow continues. That means I can monitor my process. And the flow is going to be moving from this object to this other one. And there we can see it just moved. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. With this, we already know how this confirm email function works.